Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you another what to buy from Japan video. Today's video is going to have a focus on beauty and skincare. You can buy these products directly from Japan without flying there, and I'm really excited to share this because you pay Japanese local prices. I've done a price comparison for certain products that can be found on international websites, and sometimes there's a 2 to 3x price difference. I'm going to jump straight into the product recommendations, and at the end of the video I'm going to talk about how you can buy these products directly from Buyee. My best find this year is the Elixir Eye Cream. This is a retinol power wrinkle smoothing cream, and I've been using this religiously every single night for the past 2 months. I really love the texture. It's so creamy. For those of you that have been watching my channel for a while, you know that I talk about different eye creams, and very often you would see that I always recommend the Japanese eye creams because I really find that they have the best formula that doesn't clog up your pores under your eyes and it doesn't cause melia seeds. Elixir is a sub-brand under the Shiseido family, and this costs about $40 US. If I do a price comparison to the Shiseido eye cream, that is about $140, so about 4 times the price, and the same eye cream that can be found on international websites is about $70 to $80 US. So at $40 US, this is really a steal. It contains retinol, which really helps with anti-aging. The brand Elixir targets people of all ages. It is the #1 best-selling brand in Japan for the last 17 years. It's very well known locally in Japan, whereas in the international stage, I guess Shiseido is the brand that people are most familiar with. The second product is the DAC Pro Concealer Palette. Now this one is made in Korea, but you can also get it from Buyee. So Buyee also stocks up a whole range of Korean skincare and cosmetic products, and I love this palette. Just look at the colors, it's so pretty. They have 2 color variations available, 01 and 02. The one that I got is in the palette 02. Why I love this palette is because you don't just have to buy one shade of concealer. You can really customize your perfect blend to conceal any sort of flaws, dark circles or imperfections. For example, for me, under my eyes, I need to use a darker shade of beige, and around my nose area where I tend to get a little bit of redness, that's where I use the green to color correct. It's not cakey, it's very hydrating, and it has a very smooth finish. You're getting 9 different shades of concealer for the price of 1, and it's also really handy to bring around. I highly recommend this. It's really one to have in your makeup collection. Product number 3 is the Silabo Deep Essence. This contains 2 very important ingredients, EGF and FGF. EGF stands for Epidermal Growth Factor. The EGF ingredients helps to stimulate the skin cells, which helps to produce collagen and elastin, which helps to tighten, clarify, and thicken the skin. As our skin ages, the EGF on our skin decreases, and that causes sagging, fine lines, and wrinkles on our skin. There are also multiple studies that have studied the effectiveness and role of FGF, and FGF stands for Fibroblast Growth Factor, and they have shown to repair the dermis layer of our skin in the aging process. Texture of this is not exactly watery, it's a little bit more viscous, and how I like to use it is to layer it on my skin at night after my serums and right before my moisturizers. It does have a hydrating effect, and I think this is a really useful one for layering on your skin if you have multiple products to give it that extra boost. The 4th item is the Rea Face Roller, and I was really shocked and surprised when I saw the price online. This goes for about $70 US on Buyee, and it's selling for $330 on Sephora, so there's a huge price difference. I use 2 tools on my face every night before I sleep. I either use my gua sha or this Rea Roller. Rea is a premium Japanese brand that was founded in 2009, and they aim to create products that helps to elevate your beauty routine. This is a platinum roller, and it has a solar panel here to help generate soothing, gentle microcurrents when you massage your face. And what I love to use this for is on my jaws for a lifting effect, on my cheeks, and on my neck. It's really special because it feels like someone is kneading your face and you're getting a massage while you're lifting and contouring your face. I like to put on my serums before using the roller or my gua sha, so I either use the Innisfree Green Tea Serum, which I talked about in my Korean drugstore video, or the Silabo Deep Essence drops. I really feel like using devices like this roller or the gua sha helps to prevent wrinkles, and I do see a tightening effect on my skin. I would really recommend for you to try this if you're currently not using any sort of tools on your face, but you want to get started. Then this is a really easy one to use. You can also use it on other parts of your body. I see some people using this on your arms, and for me, when I have a headache, which I do get quite often, I also use it on my head to massage it. The next product is the Marlar Eyeshadow. For those of you who have been following me for a while, you know that I do not wear eye makeup at all. It's very rare that I put on eye makeup, and I do it about once a year. I do keep just 1 palette in my makeup pouch just in case I have to dress up and put on some eye makeup. Marlar Base was a brand that was established in 2005 and it's mainly known in Japan, so it does a lot of beauty and makeup products. It's also under the Shiseido house brand, so it incorporates a lot of similar technologies and ingredients that Shiseido uses. It's very affordable at $15 US, and why I got this eye palette is because it's so simple to use. For me, I don't really have any sort of techniques for eye makeup, but basically it comes with very clear instructions. Step number 1, you put this pinkish shade all over your lids to prime your eyes, and you see that there is a gradient here from light brown to dark brown. You use the brush and you swipe it in the middle, and you can dab whichever portion you want more of, and you just swipe it across your eyelids. So I thought it was really smart because when you do that, the darker shade falls on the lower part of your lids and the brighter shade goes on your upper lids. And then there's a little brush here which they provide for a white highlighter for you to put in the middle of your eye if you want that extra shine. I used it once in the last couple of months when I was going out for dinner at night, and it just took me less than 1 minute to put on my eye makeup, and I was very happy about that. Next product for me is an absolute must get, and it's also a brand under Marlar, and it's a Marlar Base. I got it in lavender. So lavender is used to help to neutralize any sort of yellowish tone that you have on your skin. As I mentioned earlier, Marlar is under the Shiseido brand, and so is Elixir. I believe most of you got to know my channel because of my very first Japanese drugstore video where I raved about Elixir sunblock. I've been using it for years, and this Elixir brightening gel it comes out purple. For days that I don't feel like wearing any sort of makeup but I still want sun protection, this is the only product that I put on my face, and each time that I do, I always get comments that my skin is glowing even though I have nothing on but the sunblock. And I was so happy to find this version of it because the color comes out exactly the same, but the texture is a little bit different. So the Elixir sunblock is a little bit thicker, and for days where you want to layer on makeup but you still want to color correct and have an even skin tone, then I highly recommend this Marlar Base product. It's also SPF 50 and it's PA++++, which is the highest level of UV protection that you can find. It protects against UVA and UVB, so it's perfect because you can use it under your makeup. I'm currently wearing this on my skin, and I've just layered it on before putting on my makeup to give it that even and glowy finish. The next product is Dr. Silabo VC100 Essence Lotion. This is quite a popular brand. This bottle contains all the goodness. It has 8 kinds of natural oils combined with herb extracts, 5 kinds of hyaluronic acid, 5 kinds of ceramides, and I see this as a multivitamin for my skin. Now, for those of you that do not really like things with very strong scent, then this is a product that you should avoid. The scent is quite nice, it's quite fruity and flowery, but it can be quite strong. This lotion contains active ingredients which helps to remove dead skin cells, and it also helps in the skin's renewal process. How I like to use this is sometimes as a quick mask before I get ready for the day. I like to just dab a little bit on cotton pads and just leave it on my face for a couple of minutes before I layer on my other skincare and makeup. It's such a big bottle. This can really last you 6 to 8 months. It really goes a long way. Next product is something that I've been dying to try for a long while, and I'm so happy that I finally got my hands on them, and that is the Youth Vitamin C Whitening Serum, something that I will replenish on a continuous basis. It comes in sachets like this, and it's so easy to use. For most of my vitamin C, I tend to keep it in my refrigerator to prevent it from oxidizing and to also lengthen the life of the product. But because this is individually packaged like this, it's perfect for traveling. This product won the Cosme Award in 2022, and it's great for people with pigmentation. So I went for a skin consult, and one of my skin problems is pigmentation. I feel like this does a great job in lightening and brightening. It contains 100% pure absorbic acid, and it has a 30 seconds expiry date. So once you open it, you have to use it on your face immediately. It's great for those of you who have not tried vitamin C, but you really want an introduction into that active ingredient. Then I highly recommend this because it comes in a box of 28 sachets, so you can use it for 1 to 2 months and see how your skin reacts. So on my face right now, I have this vitamin C, and then I've layered on the Marlar Base to even out my skin tone and to also give me that sun protection. The texture of this serum is quite viscous and thick. So if you're living in a humid and hot country, and if you're in a rush in the morning, then I would say use this at night. But if you have some time to wait for it to settle, or if you're living in a much colder country and you want that moisture and brightening effect, you can use this in the day, but always remember to put on sunblock after. And the last product is the Dr. Silabo Aqua Collagen Gel. Now this costs about $100 so it's quite pricey, but it's a huge tub. And this product is perfect for lazy people who do not want to go through that 9 to 10 steps of skincare routine, but you want all the goodness, and this is the product to get. Now this product is famous because it's known to be a toner, moisturizer, serum, eye cream, massage cream, mask, and makeup base. So it's really all the products that you need in one tub. The texture is extremely lightweight, it's not heavy at all. And I know this is the sort of product that my mom would love because she only does 1 to 2 steps before she goes to bed. It's really perfect for people who are out of time, but you still want that, basic level of anti-aging protection for your skin. Even on the product, it says simple plus result plus science, which I think is a perfect summary to what this product is about. Buyee is a really great site if you want to buy made in Japan products at local prices. For those of you that's watching my What to Buy from Japan video for the first time, I'll leave a link down below where you can sign up for a Buyee account where you can get 10% off all your items. If you have bought from Buyee previously, maybe you could use your partner's account or another email account that you may have to get the 10% off. I'll leave a link to my previous video where if you can scroll to the second half of the video, there is a step-by-step guide which shows you how you can purchase from Buyee. It's very intuitive, and then you pay one consolidated shipping fee. I'll also leave links to all these products that I talked about down in the description box below. I did not get any sort of commissions from your purchases. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Take care and goodbye.